everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a couple of Easter pieces of decor. Again, as I've been doing lately, quick and easy. The first one is this bunny. I have this sign from Dollar Tree. It came here. I removed it. I bought 2 or 3 of them, and I'm using the bunnies for different pieces of decor. I painted it white because it had another color. No, it was white, but it was glitter, and I didn't like it glitter. So this is the original ribbon. I removed it, painted everything in white with acrylic paint, and then adhered the ribbon on the neck of the bunny again. I added, this was not in the original, I added this pom-pom, and I wanted to get standard, so I added these 2 pieces of Jenga, and here it is. I'm still not sure where I'm going to place it. I have a couple of ideas. I will show you the final product once it's ready. For this one I used this is super soft microfiber cloth. As you can see, is in the cars items section at Dollar Tree. This is off-white because I want to use it for another DIY, but I bought also one in white, and I made this pillow and this bunny. For this bunny, I just looked on internet for the silhouette of a bunny, and I printed it. I recommend everybody to use vellum paper to print images, silhouettes, letters that you want to transfer, whatever you want to transfer, because it gives you a better idea of where the image is going to be placed when you are transferring it to a paper or to fabric, like in this case. So I just cut a rectangle from this cloth and traced on one of the I cut a rectangle and I cut it in half. On one of the halves I transferred this silhouette, and I cut it a little bit bigger, as you can see, because I wanted to have this border. Then I just glued it with glue gun. I left this side open, and then I used an old pillow, the filling of an old pillow, to fill the bunny. I held myself with a dowel that I had in hand and to push the filling on inside the ears of the bunny, and then I glued the opening. I added the pom-pom and this little ribbon with a bow. Really easy. And as I had the remaining from the cloth, what I did was to make this a small pillow. I'm still thinking of how I'm going to decorate it, but my idea is to buy or to get pieces of some blue, baby blue, pink, and maybe sage or lilac fabric, and make 3 little bunnies, smaller than this one, but for you to have an idea, and place these pieces of fabric here and make an Easter small pillow. I may add some pom-poms here, I don't know, but the main idea for me is to add the 3 bunnies in the 3 Easter colors. So as you can see, these pieces of decor, again, as I've been making them all this season, They are really easy. They are quick, they are inexpensive, and you can use them anywhere around your house, and they will add a nice Easter touch to your decor. Hope you like this idea. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber if you are not already one, and ring the bell. You will be notified whenever I upload a new video, which is usually on Mondays, and hope to see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.